Have you got a very personal and embarrassing problem that you don't want anyone to know about? I do, and it's called hemorrhoids. I found this really painful and quite embarrassing. I don't really want to speak to anyone about it. In fact, if no one ever knew of my hemorrhoid problem, the happier I would be, but we all need a little help sometimes. Have you ever tried to go to the loo, and you feel as if your bottom is on fire? I am not talking about too much chili the night before, but when you are almost brought to tears from severe pain, when trying to have a bowel movement. I don't think there is anything worse than having severe pain in your rectum every time you sit down. Hemorrhoids are truly the pain in the butt people speak of. Painkillers do help ease the pain a little, but then the itching starts, and that annoying itch which you just can't seem to ease, can really drive you through the roof. I have tried some different creams and ointments over the past year, but the piles still manage to come back, which is extremely annoying. I have been able to treat my piles with treatments that I want to share with you. What many people don't know is there are many different types of hemorrhoids that can occur, with other painful fissures and sores. Because this is an embarrassing topic, who do you talk to about treatment? Well, I made this video to give you some home treatments that have helped me. A Sitz bath is an extremely good treatment that you will need to start immediately, as you would want to try avoid any surgery. We have a detailed video instruction with all the resources needed. See the link below at www.homehemorrhoidtreatments.com. In combination with the Sitz bath, I have begun using Venapro as part of my daily diet. Venapro helps with digestion, and helps avoid pressure during a bowel movement, that will help to avoid piles in future. Works great for me. See the link below. So, hit the subscribe button to join our YouTube channel now, and stay educated. Also, visit our website www.homehemorrhoidtreatments.com for natural home treatments today.